Let's take a look at how to import a single function from a custom module in JavaScript. Here, we are assuming that there's a module named MathUtils, which contains a function called square. We start by using the import statement to pull in only the square function from MathUtils. Notice the curly braces. These are used to destructure the function from the module, meaning that we can directly use the function square in our code. Now, let's define a new function called calculateSquare and log. This function will be responsible for taking a number, calculating its square, and then logging the output. Inside our function, we declare a constant square number and assign the result of calling square with our input number to it. The square function, which we imported, is being put to use here. Next, we use a template string to create a message that includes both the original number and its squared value. This message is then logged to the console, showing us the final result. We've just completed the definition of our calculateSquare and log function, which encapsulates the logic we need. Finally, we call calculateSquare and log with the number 5. If all is working correctly, we should see the square of 5 is 25. Logged in the console, demonstrating the successful import and utilization of the square function from our MathUtils module. And that's how we import and use individual functions from a module in JavaScript. Simple, elegant, and highly effective for maintaining clean and modular code.